Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. This is for class 4th, subject mathematics. I will continue chapter number 3, subtraction, and this is our lecture number 4. In this lecture, I shall discuss about worksheet. Now, solve the following questions. Worksheet given on page number 39. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. A part 63,710 minus dash equal to 63,710. See, difference is 63,710. It means we will write here 0. Okay, write down. Answer 63,710 minus 0 equal to 63,710. Okay. Now, B part 9,89,891 minus dash equal to 9,89,891. See, difference is 9,89,891. So we will write here 0. Okay, write down. Answer 9,89,891 minus 0 equal to 9,89,891. Answer is 0. Okay. Now C part. Dash minus 36,941 equal to 0. See, difference is 0. So we will subtract from this same number, that is 36,941. So write down answer. 36,941 minus 36,941 equal to 0. Answer is 36,941. Okay. Now D part. 0 plus dash equal to 7,895. See, answer is 7,895. So, what we will write here? We will write here that same number, that is 7,895. Means 0 plus 7,895 equal to that same number, that is 7,895. Okay, so write down answer. 0 plus 7,895 equal to 7,895. Okay. Now E part. Smallest 6-digit number minus 1 equal to dash. If we subtract 1 from any given number, then we will get predecessor. Okay, means one number before. See, smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. So write down answer. 1 lakh minus 1 equal to 99,999. That means 99,999 is the predecessor of 1 lakh. That is smallest 6-digit number. Okay. Now question number 2. Find the missing digits. A part. See, note this question very carefully. See, 9, 7, 2, dash 8. Second number dash 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 2, 5. Difference is 3, 4, 1, 8, 3. Okay. See, answer. See, 8 minus 5 equal to 3. Here 3 is written. Now see, here 2 is written, means in subtrahend 2 is written and difference is 8. It means in minimum means we will plus. See, 8 plus 2, 10. So write here 0 and we will subtract here 1. So 2 will become 1. Okay, now see, in 1 what we subtract, that answer is 1. अब हम इस 1 में क्या subtract करें कि answer 1 आए. We will subtract 0. So write here 0. Next, in 7 what we will subtract, that answer is 4. अब हम इस 7 में क्या subtract करें कि आंसर 4 आए. What we will subtract? We will subtract 3. So write here 3. Now in this 9 what we will subtract? That answer is 3. अब इस 9 में हम क्या subtract करें कि आंसर 3 आए. What we will subtract? We will subtract 6. So write here 6. So missing digits are 0, 6, 3, 0. Okay. I will again explain you this question. See, 8 minus 5, 3. Now see, 2. Here it is written and here 8 is written. See, 2 plus 8, 10. So write here 0 and we will subtract here from this 1. See, 2 minus 1, that is 1. So write here 1. Now in this 1 what we will subtract, that answer is 1. We will write here 0. In this 7 what we will subtract, that answer is 4. Write 3 here. Now in this 9 what we will subtract, that answer is 3. Write 6 here. Clear? Now question 3. Deepika subtracted 3,56,794 from a number. She had 9,402 left. What was the number she began with? दीपिका ने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया 3,56,794 from a number, किसी भी नंबर में से. She had 9,402 left. What was the number she began with? तो वो कौन सा नंबर है जिस नंबर से उसने स्टार्ट किया. Okay, so what we will do? We will add 3,56,794 and 9,402. Okay. Answer. Why? Because she subtracted 3,56,794 from a number, and a number we don't know. So it means if we subtract from a number, it means we subtract smaller number from greater number. That's why we will add these two. Okay. So write down 3,56,794. Write down 9,402. Now add this. 4 plus 2, 6. 9 plus 0, 9. Now see, 7 plus 4, 11. Write 1 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 6, 7. And 7 plus 9, 16. Write 6 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 5, 6. Write 3 as it is. What is the answer? Answer is 3,66,196. So the number she began with, that is 3,66,196. Okay. Now question 5. Write the difference between the greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number. We have to find the difference between the greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number. Answer. See, smallest 6-digit number equal to 1 lakh and greatest 4-digit number equal to 9,999. Okay, we have to find the difference between these two. So write down 1 lakh minus 9,999. Now subtract this. See, 0 minus 9, it is not possible. So we will take borrow from this. Next, we can't borrow from 0. 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 So we will take borrow from this 1. So this 1 will become 0. Now see, this 1 will give borrow to this 0. So this 0 will become 10. Now this 10 will give borrow to this 0. So this 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. Okay. Now this 10 will give borrow to this 0. So this 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. Now this 10 will give borrow to this 0. So this 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. Again this 10 will give borrow to this 0. So this 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. Okay. Now 10 minus 9, 1. Write 1 here. 9 minus 9, 0. Again 9 minus 9, 0. Again 9 minus 9, 0. Write 9 as it is, 0 as it is. What is the answer? Answer is 90,001. Okay. So the difference between the greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number is 90,001. Okay. Now solve the following questions assigned as homework. Worksheet given on page number 39. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. F part dash minus 0 equal to 4,91,896. G part, the result which we get after subtraction is called the dash. I repeat once again, F part dash minus 0 equal to 4,91,896. G part, the result which we get after subtraction is called the dash. Okay. Now H part. In subtraction problem, the larger number from which another number subtracted is called dash. I repeat once again, H part. In subtraction problem, the larger number from which another number subtracted is called dash. J part. If we subtract a number from its dash, we get 1 as the answer. J part. If we subtract a number from its dash, we get 1 as the answer. Now question 2. Find the missing digits. B part. Note this question very carefully. See, first number 2, 7, 4, dash, dash. Next 4, 9, 4, 5. Difference 2, 2, dash, 7, 5. Note this question very carefully. Okay. Now question 4. By selling a Maruti car, Lakshay got rupees 83,691. If he bought a new Maruti car for rupees 1,73,791, how much more money did he spend? Clear? Now, question 6. Subtract 4,782 from the sum of 6,893 and 4,829. Clear? These are the questions assigned as homework. Okay? Now, I will discuss homework solutions of lecture number 3 of chapter number 3, subtraction. Now, exercise 3C. Question number 1. Out of 78,900 books published in 2014, 26,543 were of science, 15,938 were of mathematics, and the remaining were of other subjects. Find the number of books of other subjects. See, out of 78,900 books published in 2014, 26,543 were of science, 15,938 were of mathematics, and the remaining were of other subjects. Find the number of books of other subjects. See, first of all, we will add science books and mathematics books, and then we will subtract that number from 78,900. Okay, because we have to find the remaining. Okay. But first of all, we will write the statements. So write down answer. Number of science books published equal to 26,543. Number of mathematics books published equal to 15,938. So total number equal to, what we will do? We will do addition. See, 3 plus 8, 11. Write 1 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 3, 8. Write 8 here. 5 plus 9, 14. Write 4 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 5, 12. Write 2 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. Write 4 here. So total number of science books and mathematics books equal to 42,481. Now we will subtract this total number, means 42,481 from 78,900. Okay. Hence, the number of books of other subjects equal to 78,900 minus 42,481. Now, we have to find the difference of these two. Write down 78,900 minus 42,481. Now, subtract this. See, 0 minus 1, it is not possible. So, we will take borrow from this next number. We can't borrow from 0. So, we will take borrow from this 9. So, this 9 will become 8. Okay, now this 9 will give borrow to this 0. So this 0 will become 10. Now this 10 will give borrow to this 0. So this 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. Okay, and this 9 will become 8. Okay, so write down 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 4, 4. 8 minus 2, 6. 7 minus 4, 3. Clear? Answer is 36,419. Write down. Therefore, there were 36,419 books of other subjects. Clear? Now, question 2. 3 persons A, B and C need rupees 2 lakh to start a business. A has rupees 55,000, B has rupees 69,000 and C has rupees 39,000. How much more money is required to start the business? See, first of all, we will do addition. Total number we have to find for money with person A, B and C, and then we will subtract that particular number from rupees 2 lakh. Okay. Write down statements. Money having with person A equal to rupees 55,000. Money having with person B equal to rupees 69,000. Money having with person C equal to rupees 39,000. So, total money equal to rupees, see what we will do? We will do addition. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0, write 0 here. Again 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0. Now see, 5 plus 9, 14 and 14 plus 9, 23. Write 3 here and 2 carry. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 6, 13 and 13 plus 3, 16. Write 16 here. So total money with person A, B and C equal to rupees 1,63,000. Now we will subtract this 1,63,000 from 2 lakh. Okay. Hence, the money required to start the business equal to rupees 2 lakh minus rupees 1,63,000. Write down rupees 2 lakh minus rupees 1,63,000. Now subtract this. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Now see, this 0 minus 3, it is not possible, so we will take borrow from this 0. We can't borrow from this 0, so we will take borrow from this 2. So this, see, first of all, this 2 will give borrow to this 0. So this 0 will become 10. Now this 10 will give borrow to this 0. So this 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. Okay, and this 2 will become 1. Now see, 10 minus 3, 7, 9 minus 6, 3. Now see, 1 minus 1, 0. So write here 0. Therefore, rupees 37,000 more is required to start the business. Clear? Now, question 4. A shopkeeper sold 36,313 kilogram rice on Monday. On Tuesday, he sold 769 kilogram of rice more than on Monday. And on Wednesday, he sold 778 kilogram rice less than on Monday. How much rice was sold by him in 3 days? See, a shopkeeper sold 36,313 kilogram rice on Monday. On Tuesday, he sold 769 kilogram of rice more than on Monday. It means we will do addition here. Now, and Wednesday, he sold 778 kilogram rice less than on Monday. It means we will do subtraction here. How much rice was sold by him in 3 days? And after that, we will do addition. But first of all, we will write statement. So write down answer. Rice sold by shopkeeper on Monday equal to 36,313 kilogram. Rice sold by shopkeeper on Tuesday equal to 36,313 plus 769 kilogram. Why? Because it is more than written here. It means we will do addition. Now add this 36,313 plus 769. Okay. Now see, 3 plus 9, 12. Write 2 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 6, 8. Write 8 here. 3 plus 7, 10. Write 0 and 1 carry here. 1 plus 6, 7. Write 7 here. Write 3 as it is. So rice sold by shopkeeper on Tuesday equal to 37,082 kilogram. Okay. Now rice sold by shopkeeper on Wednesday equal to 36,313 minus 778 kilogram. Why? Because less than was written. That's why we will do subtraction. Write down 36,313 minus 778. Now subtract this. 3 minus 8, it is not possible. So we will take borrow from this 1. So this 1 will become 0 and this 3 will become 13. 13 minus 8, 5. Now see, 0 minus 7, again it is not possible. So we will take borrow from this 3. So this 3 will become 2 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 7, 3. Write 3 here. Now again 2 minus 7, it is not possible. So we will take borrow from this 6. So this 6 will become 5 and this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 7, 5. Write 5 as it is. Write 3 as it is. So rice sold by shopkeeper on Wednesday equal to 35,535. Clear? Now, hence rice sold by him in 3 days equal to 36,313 kilogram, 37,082 kilogram and 35,535 kilogram. We will do addition. See, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Write 0 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 8, 10. Plus 3, 13. Write 3 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4. Plus 0, 4. Plus 5, 9. Write 9 here. 6 plus 7, 13. Plus 5, 18. Write 8 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4. Plus 3, 7. Plus 3, 10. Write 10 here. Okay. Therefore, rice sold by him in 3 days was 1,08,930 kilogram. Okay. Now, question 5. A student was told to write the numeral for 19,356, but he wrote 90,536. Write both in numerals and find the difference between them. Okay. Answer. See, 19,356. Numeral is 19,356 and numeral for 90,536 equal to 90,536. Now, what we have to do? We have to find the difference between these two. But first we will write greater number, that is 90,536, and then we will write smaller number, that is 19,356. Write down 90,536 minus 19,356. Now subtract this. 6 minus 6, 0. Write 0 here. Now see, 3 minus 5, it is not possible, so we will take borrow from this 5. So this 5 will become 4 and this 3 will become 13. 13 minus 5, 8. Write 8 here. 4 minus 3, 1. Now see, 0 minus 9. Again it is not possible, so we will take borrow from this 9. So this 9 will become 8 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 8 minus 1, 7. Okay. So difference is 71,180. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.